Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. Love and so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe.
Good morning everyone. First of all, I'm so sorry that this video was late. It was supposed to go live on Monday, but I've had that many problems with the Christmas tree. As you've seen in the video, it started off gold and it just didn't work for me. I feel like gold's a very traditional colour, and because my home's quite modern, it just wasn't sitting right with me at all. So I stripped it back and I'm starting from scratch, as you're going to see. But the reason why the video is late is because it's just been bonfire night yesterday, and people have been letting fireworks off since around the 3rd of November, and my dogs are terrified of fireworks, especially our Dolly. They just shake uncontrollably, and it would be unfair of me to stand decorating a Christmas tree while Dolly's trying to run behind it and hide. I just couldn't do it, and I'm awful sorry, but my pooches were number one to me, giving them lots of mummy cuddles and making sure that they were okay. So they're absolutely fine now. Tonight, it's the 6th of November. A couple of fireworks have gone off tonight, but Lee's downstairs with them and I'm upstairs editing and finally getting this video for you to see. So I had lots of bother with the tree. Then I realised that my lights weren't working. So I had to nip over to Inspirations and buy some new lights for the Christmas tree, as you're going to see. But underneath, I never use tree skirts. I always buy fir rugs. They actually work out much cheaper than tree skirts. That rug underneath the tree was from eBay 2 years ago, and I think I paid $8.99 for it. And it's great. I pull it out, I give it a little hoover, and I put it back under, and it works perfectly. All these decorations that I'm using are old decorations. The decorations that I've had for years up in the loft. So the flowers that you can see me putting in there from TJ Hughes's, they usually go on my big tree in the lounge. But I've decided to put them on this tree just for a change, because they act as really good fillers so you can't see through the middle of the tree, which is what I don't like. So I'm basically filling it in with all those flowers. adding the decorations, and I cut up 2 feather boas. I usually weave them either around the bottom of the Christmas tree, or if you see my Christmas tree on Instagram last year or the year before, the kitchen tree was decorated with marabou and white decorations, so it was basically like this tree, but obviously it was a snowflock tree. So this is going to be a little bit different. I decided to cut it up so it looked like snowdrops on the end of the branches.
I've got a mistletoe in my hand, and the boys are lining up for my kisses all for one special guy. He's a dreamboat of a man, my own sweet buttercup. I'm just so revved up by his presence. So let this mistletoe moment be that brand new Christmas